Good morning. pH change in acid-base titration, weak and strong. During an acid-base titration, the pH of the solution changes gradually at first, then rises or falls sharply near the equivalence point. The exact pH curve depends on the strength of the acid and base. Strong acid versus strong base titration, for example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, both fully ionized. Initial pH is very low, strong acid. pH increases slowly at first, then rises sharply near the equivalence. Equivalence point pH 7 neutral because the salt form sodium chloride is neutral. Got characteristics, very steep vertical jump about 4 to 6 pH units. Best indicator, phenolphthalein and or methyl orange in case of strong acid, strong base. Weak acid or strong base titration. For example, ethanoic acid versus sodium hydroxide, weak acid only partially ionized. Initial pH is higher, less acidic. Before the equivalence point, a buffer region appears due to formation of acetate. Equivalence point pH is greater than 7 because the salt form sodium ethanoate gives a basic solution. Core characteristics, buffer region is smooth, vertical rise is smaller compared to strong titration based indicator. Phenolphthalein pH range is greater than 7. Weak base strong acid titration, for example, ammonium hydroxide versus hydrochloric acid, initial pH moderate weak base, buffer region forms due to ammonium ion formation. Equivalence point pH is less than 7 because ammonium chloride is acidic. Smaller vertical jump at equivalence, best indicator methyl orange. Weak acid versus weak base titration, both are vertically ionized, no sharp vertical jump in pH. Equivalence point can be near the neutral, slightly acidic or slightly basic depending on the strengths. Indicators generally do not work, pH meter is needed. Strong acid, strong base. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Weak acid, weak base. Greater than 7, so phenolphthalein. Weak base, strong acid, less than 7, moderate, methyl orange. Weak acid, weak base, moderate, near 7, very small. pH meter is required.